Landforms and life. Long questions with answers in 80 to 100 words. Number 1. Explain how mountains influence the climate and human activities in their regions. Mountains affect climate by blocking winds and causing rainfall on one side while creating rain shadows on the other. They are cooler due to the higher altitudes and have diverse vegetation zones. People living in mountains often engage in activities like terrace farming, animal herding, and tourism. The Himalayas, for example, protect India from cold winds and support unique cultures. Mountains also provide resources like timber and medicinal plants, but can be difficult to live in due to steep slopes and harsh weather. Number 2. Discuss the importance of rivers in shaping plains and supporting life there. Rivers carry sediments from mountains and deposit them on plains, making floodplains very fertile. This fertile soil supports intensive agriculture and large populations. Plains such as Ganga Plain have been cradles of ancient civilizations and continue to support dense human settlement. Rivers also provide water for drinking, irrigation, fishing, and transportation. Besides economic benefits, many rivers have religious and cultural significance. Their gentle slopes allow easy navigation, promoting trade and connectivity among communities. Number 3. Describe the formation and significance of the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau was formed millions of years ago by volcanic eruptions that covered a vast area with lava, creating flat elevated land. It is one of the oldest plateaus in the world, covering much of central and southern India. The black lava soil found here is fertile and supports crops like cotton. The plateau crops like cotton. The plateau is rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, and manganese, making it an important mining region. Its unique geography has influenced the culture, climate, and economy of the region. Number 4. What are the environmental changes faced by plateau regions compared to plains? Plateaus often have a rocky soil, making farming difficult and less productive than in plains. Many plateaus are prone to soil erosion and have sparse vegetation cover. Water scarcity can be an issue due to limited groundwater recharge. Mining, a common activity on plateaus, leads to environmental degradation and pollution. In contrast, plains have a fertile soil and better water availability. However, both face challenges like deforestation, pollution, and overpopulation, affecting their ecosystems and sustainability. Number 5. How have human communities adapted to desert environments, particularly in the Thar Desert? Despite harsh conditions like extreme temperatures and scarce water, people in the Thar Desert have developed unique lifestyles and cultural traditions. They rely on nomadic herding, rainwater harvesting, and growing drought resistant crops. Folk songs, dances, and legends reflect the desert's influence on their lives. Adaptations include building homes suited for heat, wearing light clothing, and managing scarce resources carefully. Their resilience shows human ability to thrive in diverse and challenging environments. Number 6. Explain the economic and cultural importance of waterfalls found in plateau regions. Waterfalls such as Victoria Falls, Jog Falls, and Nokhalikai Falls add scenic beauty, attracting tourists and boosting local economies. They are often sites of religious or cultural significance and inspire myths and festivals. Additionally, waterfalls provide potential for hydroelectric power generation, supporting energy needs. Their presence influences local biodiversity by creating unique microhabitats. Waterfalls also act as natural barriers in rivers, shaping human settlements and activities around these regions. Number 7. Why is groundwater depletion a concern in the agricultural plains of India? In the agricultural plains like the Ganga plain, heavy reliance on irrigation has led to excessive extraction of groundwater. Overpumping lowers the water table, making it harder and more expensive to access water. This threatens long term water security for farming and drinking. Depleting groundwater also causes soil salinity and land degradation. If not managed properly, it could reduce crop yields and threaten livelihoods, making sustainable water use a crucial challenge for the future of agriculture in these plains. Number 8. What role do mountains and plateaus play in mineral resources? Mountains and plateaus are rich in mineral deposits formed over millions of years through geological processes. Mountains often contain minerals like gold, copper, and precious stones, while plateaus like Chota Nagpur are known for iron, coal, manganese, and bauxite. Mining in these regions supports industries and provides employment. However, mining also causes environmental concerns like deforestation and pollution. Sustainable mining practices are essential for balanced economic benefits with environmental protection. Number 9. Describe the 5 Tinais of ancient Tamil Sangam poetry and their significance in understanding landforms. The 5 Tinais classify landforms and associate each with specific human occupations, moods, and deities. Kurinzi, mountains for hunting; Mulai for forest, cattle rearing; Marudam, plains, farming; Nedal, coastal, fishing; and Paloi, desert, journeying. This poetic classification shows the intimate relationship between people and their environment in ancient Tamil culture. It reflects how geography shaped not only livelihoods but also cultural expressions and emotions, highlighting human adaptation and respect for nature. Number 10. How do plains support biodiversity and human life differently than mountains or plateaus? Plains, with their fertile soil and flat terrain, support dense vegetation, diverse wildlife, and large human populations engaged in agriculture. The availability of water and nutrients allows variety for a variety of crops and animals. In contrast, mountains have harsher climates and rugged terrain, supporting specialized species and smaller human settlements, while plateaus often have rocky soils and sparser vegetation. Plains facilitate easier transportation and communication, supporting larger economies and cultural exchange compared to the other landforms.